Good morning everyone. Welcome to the science class. In our previous class we had discussed and learned about sunlight. In today's class we will learn about shadow. So dear students, open your science book lesson 15 at page number 84, sunlight and shadow. Now let's discuss this term shadow. A dark shape formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Difficult words with their meanings: direction, way or route, opposite, reverse. Now dear students, open your science book at page number 84. Topic is shadows. Now what is shadow? A dark shape formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Dear students, there are some things like glass let light pass through them. Can you think of any other things? Yes, there are many things that let light pass through them. They are called transparent objects. Dear students, transparent objects allow you to see clearly through them. They allow light to pass through. Some examples are window, glass, sand glass, magnifier glass and sunglasses. These objects let light pass through them. Number 2 is some things do not let light pass through them. When light cannot pass through something, you can see a shadow. Can you think of some things which make a shadow? Dear students, now look at the picture given in your book. Light is coming from the window and when it falls on table, a dark shape forms on the opposite side of light. This dark shape is called shadow. Students, there are many things that do not let light pass through them. They are called opaque objects. Opaque objects do not allow you to see clearly through them. They do not allow light to pass through, like vegetables, toys, door, shoes and leather, etc. Now, the direction of a shadow. Now let's try it out given on your book. See which side the shadow falls. Move the torch to the other side of the bowl. The shadow is now on the other side. The shadow always falls on the side which is opposite to the light. As you can see on your book, shadow has formed on the opposite side of light. Now look at this man. He has placed his hand in front of light and on the opposite side of light you can see a dark shape has formed. Dear students, this dark shape is known as shadow and it always forms on the opposite side of the light. Now next try it out. Stand in the sun in the morning. Ask your friend to mark your shadow. Stand at the same place again at noon and in the evening ask your friend to mark your shadow again. Now, when is your shadow the shortest? Dear students, during noon the length of shadow is shortest as the sun is over our head. So, the shadow forms shortest. Next question is, when is it longer? The shadow is longer during morning and evening as the sun is present on our side. So, the length of shadow forms longer. Now, let's discuss some questions of this topic. Number 1 is, what is the length of the shadows at the different times of the day? The length of shadows at different times of the day are: in morning, long; at noon, short, in evening, long. Why is the shadow shortest at noon? The shadow is shortest at noon because the sun is over our head. Now, dear students, read and revise lesson 15, Sunlight and Shadow, its word meanings, cross questions, terms. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.